Hello, my name is Chien, and welcome back to the ASP.NET MVC Entity Framework Learning by Example project. And project is Chien VS Shop. And today we will continue with the day 14. I will talk about the check out and save order from the shopping cart. Okay, so let's get started. I will close this one and open the sequence server. Okay, here now I go ahead to create two tables. It is the order and order detail to save the order from the shopping cart. Order date in payment stated customer name. I will save the customer info into the order table. So basically, we are able to create other table. It is named the customer, and after that we will set the relationship. We set the relationship for the table. But now to save the time, I will save it into this table. This one should be primary key and how to increase order. I will create order detail. The order detail, I will use the order ID and product ID to create the primary key. No need to create the primary key for this table. Combine two keys into one primary key. Okay, so now refresh this order detail. Open the database diagram. This one you can see the diagram of this database. So now go ahead to add new table into this diagram. So now we go ahead to set the relationship for order and order detail with the product table. Product order. Save it. Okay. Now open the Visual Studio and scroll down to the model. And now we go ahead to update the shop model. You can see here the diagram of Visual Studio. It looks the same in the sequence server. So now update that model from database. Order detail. Finish. Okay, save it. And it will take a while to generate the model for new table. Okay, let's close it. And now, okay, try to review the solution. Oh, clean the fit first. What? View again. What the hell? Clean solution. View. Unable to generate the why? Let's open the browser. Okay, and now I will add one more checkout button here. When the user click on the checkout button, it will direct them to the checkout page where we can see the all of the product in the shopping cart, and we also have a form which allows the user to enter the client information before they submit the order. Okay, now open the Visual Studio and we will open the shopping cart. Scroll down to the bottom. Will name is checkout. Go ahead to open the controller shopping cart. I will name is checkout. Return checkout page. Okay, create a view. Index, I will check. and it should be shopping. Okay. And the checkout page, I will go ahead to copy something from this one. I will have to delete some redundant code here. Okay, so no need to form. Okay, just give it. And now I will come back to the okay, build it. We cannot click on the continue shopping, so now come back to the continue shopping. Continue shopping. Okay. Okay. Okay, now click on the checkout button. Oh, you can see here it does not work. Still work. Check out. Okay, let's see. Okay, book file. Showcase on this checkout button on this checkout page, so we only display the read only information from the shopping cart, and we don't allow the user edit anything here. So we should disable some feature which allows the user enter the quantity of the product here. So open this checkout. Read only. We can also delete the error message here, which displays the error message. And we are also able to delete the delete feature. Okay, we will reformat the price here. To make it look beautiful. Okay, it look beautiful. And now I go ahead to create the table which allow the user enter the client information here. Okay, so check out table. Customer name, customer phone, email address. Okay, so now I have a table here, a button. Submit. Okay. Refresh. And now we will have to, I think we should validate the form first before they submit the data to the server. So now we will add some JavaScript code here. Okay, so firstly we have to add the form here. We use shopping cart. So I will go ahead to open the controller first. Check out. I will name it the process order. Okay, the process order, so it should be return the order succeeds. So now I will have to create the order succeed page. View. Set order. Okay, and on this page, so we will use the script here, jQuery and jQuery validate to do the validation on form. So I have opened the layout page layer and add the script, validate script. Okay. Check out page. So I have to add the ID for this one. New ID equal customer form. Okay, this. Okay. So now I will copy customer form, write the script, JavaScript. Okay. Dot validate. Customer form validate. We have some rules. Also. customer name you require. Okay, try to refresh this. Process order could not found. Validate. Here. There is a class error, so we go ahead to write a new class for it. Okay, copy it. Open the style. Click. Okay. And now we come back to the controller. So we will write the code for checkout page. Process. Okay, I think we should write the code for order succeed page first. When the when the user click on the process order, if we enter the valid information for customer invoice here, so after that we will submit the data to the server, and the server we will have to handle the process to save the order into the order table and also save the order detail into the order detail as well. And after that, it will direct the user to the succeed page where the user able to see the, for example, thank you message or the order has been placed successfully message. Okay, hello, now I will write the code for succeed order succeed page. So order being placed successfully. Click edit. Back to the home page. And now try to refresh this. Process order. I will temporarily close this, but delete code. Yeah. Okay, now we will write the code for set order to save the data. Okay, so before we write the code, I think we should take a look into the model first. I want to see it. Model editor, we already have. Why we still see the message? Background model object. Okay, so let me delete this and try to generate it. I will open the web config. Command L. Render. Model. User. We have table user. Okay. try to clean the solution and review it. Okay, so we have no issue for now. And basically, when we have any change in the database, so you have to refresh the data model, and maybe it will have some issue as you see in previous, and we should delete it and try to create a new, and it will automatically generate a new for you. Okay, now we will write the code for process. And here we have to do the two actions. The first, we save the order into the table. The second, we save the order into order in the table. Okay, so now we will go step by step. We have order, new order, customer name. We get the data from the form. Let's see. It should be the customer name. Okay, I will copy it first. No. We have opened the checkout. Customer name. Email. Address. Open Visual. Open the SQL Server. Order. We have also the order date, payment status, order date. We have customer name, customer for. Email, address, order date is date upload now, and the next one is payment type. Payment type. For now, I will temporarily hard code for this case. And stated, I will hard code also. It should be processing. Okay. And after that, we will call db dot order dot add order db set. We do the same thing for order detail page. So the order detail table, we have to for it in L. We have order detail. We have order ID, get the ID from the order ID quantity. So we should get product ID first. Product ID and quantity quantity and the last product. Okay, so we do the same thing. Order detail equals order detail add. So we have the order detail save trade. So after we save all of the order and order detail into the table, so we have clear owner session in the shopping cart. 3 remove shopping cart session dot remove string. Okay, return view order success. Okay, and now go ahead to review it. Check out. Review process order. Okay, so if you can see here, that means the order already added into the database. So now I will open the sequence server to see. Editor. Okay, editor. You can see here we have the order 1 processing generate. We have 3 product quantity. Okay, I will try with another product. That okay. Okay. I think that's it all for today. And after you finish this video, so you know how to process the shopping cart as a checkout process for shopping cart. And when you click on the process button, it will automatically save the order into the database. So you are able to use the information to print the invoice and something like that before we deliver the product to customer. Okay, so I hope this helped, and feel free to let me know if you have any question. Bye bye and see you in another tutorial.